Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a nice maths question. This question is x to the power 1 over 3 plus x to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 12. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths Olympiad question. So first of all, I can see easily here is 3, this is 2. So here is L, C, M. I can see easily it will be 3 times 2, it will be 6. So at this moment, first of all, we'll let here x is equal to m to the power 6. Now at this moment I can see this expression here, solution x to the power, I take our question again, x to the power 1 over 3 plus x to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 12. This is our question. Now here x to the power x, it will be m to the power 6. So I take here is m to the power 6 bracket power is 1 over 3 plus m to the power 6 and bracket power is 1 over 2 is equal to 12. Now at this moment we know that the exponential law a to the power m and whole to the power n, it will be a to the power m, and according to this formula I can say that this expression it will be m to the power 6 times 1 over 3 plus m to the power 6 times 1 over 2 is equal to 12. Now here these 6 divide these 3, it will be 2. So we are find out here is m to the power 2 plus these 6 divide this 2, it will be 3. So m to the power 3 is equal to 12. We are find out a nice cubic equation, and this equation it will be m to the power 3 plus m square. Then if I move on this positive 12 in this side, it will be negative 12 is equal to 0. Now at this moment I can say this 12 it will be 8 and this is 4. We know that 8 plus 4 it will be 12, and this 8 it will be 2 to the power 3, this 2 it will be 2 to the power 2. Now at this moment here m to the power 3 plus m square minus, and this 12 it will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here m to the power 3, and if I move on this minus 8 in here, so it will be minus 8 plus m square, then here is negative 4 is equal to 0. Now you can easily this expression it will be m to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3. We know that 2 to the power 3 it will be 8, then here is m square minus 2 to the power 2, it will be 4 is equal to 0. Now at this moment we'll find out here is two property. Our first identity will be a cube minus b cube. So it will be a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and others identity it will be a square minus b square. So this formula it will be a plus b times a minus b. Now according to this math formula I can say that this expression it will be m minus 2 times m square plus ab, 2 times m, it will be 2m plus 2 to the power 2, it will be 4. Then here a square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b is equal to 0. Now at this moment you can easily here is m minus 2 is common. So if I take here is m minus 2, then here these divide this, it will be m square plus 2m plus 4 plus this divide this, it will be m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can easily here m minus 2 our first case, and other case we will find out here is m square plus 2m plus m, it will be 3m. Then here is 2 plus 4, it will be 6 is equal to 0. So we'll find out here is two case. Our first case it will be m minus 2 is equal to 0, and other case we will find out here is m squared plus 3m plus 6 is equal to 0. Now at this moment here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 6, then here is, you can see easily, here is delta, it will be v square minus 4ac, and here is v, it will be 3 to the power 2 minus 4ac is 1, c is 6. Then you can see easily here it will be 9 minus 4 times 6, it will be 24, and it will be negative 15, so it is less than 0. So we are find out here is delta, it will be negative 15. So we are find out always here is complex number, complex solution. Here is no real solution, so no real solution. It is an imaginary number, imaginary part. Now here it is rejected, but our real solution is equal to what? So here is m minus 2 is equal to 6, m minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can see easily here is m, it will be 2. But recall, first of all, we'll let m x is equal to m to the power 6. First of all, we'll let here m is equal to x is equal to m to the power 6. So you can see easily here is m to the power 6. So I use both side exponent 6. Here is 2 to the power 6. And at this moment m to the power 6 it will be x, so you consider x, it will be 2 to the power 6. So this is our final answer in this maths Olympiad question. X is equal to 2 to the power 6. So you can see 2 to the power 6 it will be 64. So this is the value of x in this maths problem. But let's check out our question. I take our question, it will be x to the power 1/3 and x to the power 1/2 is equal to 12. Now you can see here x, it will be 64 or 2 to the power 6. I take 2 to the power 6, and here is exponent 1/3 plus 2 to the power 6 exponent 1/2 is equal to 12. Now at this moment you can see this 6 divide this 3, it will be 2. So we'll find out here is 2 to the power 2 plus, and this 6 divide this 2, it will be 3, and we'll find out here is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 12. Now at this moment we know that 2 to the power 2 it will be 4 plus 2 to the power 3 it will be 8, and is equal to 12. Now 4 plus 8 it will be 12 is equal to 12. So you can see easily here x is equal to 2 to the power 6 or 64. This is our final answer in this maths Olympiad question. It is an interesting maths and it is easy maths. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye, take care.